Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix widgets not loading in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your widgets are not loading, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try, you just have to try to connect with the internet using your Wi-Fi or cellular data. And once you're connected to the internet, just click on the widget which you're facing the issue. Let's say I'm gonna select this one. Just click on this widget. It will make a refresh because sometimes it might be that your phone is on power saving or the background usage of your app or your widget has been blocked. So your widget cannot load as well. So you can try to click on that widget to open that and your widget will be reloaded or refreshed. But if you're still facing the same issue that your widget is still not loading, so you can go ahead to your settings here, just scroll down, go to software update, click on check for updates, and just make sure that your phone is up to date because sometimes it can be a software glitch if your phone has any pending software update or any installing software update, so you might get these type errors. But if you're still facing the same issue, your phone is up to date, but you are still facing the same issue, your widgets are still not loading, go to Play Store and search for that specific app. For example, let's say I'm facing this issue with the Google search bar, so I can search for Google here, open Google and make sure that Google is up to date. There's no any update button over here. You can also search for Gemini or any other app with which you're facing the issue. But after updating the app, if you're still facing the same issues, so there's the only way. Just make a force restart with your phone. Or you can also make a simple or normal restart. Just scroll down your control center, click on this power icon here, click on restart button, and now click on this button again to have a restart after twice. Once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.